Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix rear air vent on BMW 5 Series, F10 and F11 in 7 simple steps. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So, if you can see, our air vents are damaged and we have to replace it. So, first move the front seats all the way forward to create more space in the back to remove the air vent. So this is the new air vent. You can find a new product in the video description below. So we will replace only this part from the armrest. So first, you have to know that there's 2 clips on the left side, 2 clips on the right side and 2 on the top. To remove it, you have to use a trim tool. You can find a new trim tool removal set in the video description below, just like that. So we will use a trim tool. Use the trim tool to pry the air vent out from the armrest. Then disconnect the cables from the 12-volt socket. Just pull it out. Just pull the cables out. If you can see those clips, and the other ones from the top. Then we will remove those 4 bolts. Use a T20 Torx to remove it. To remove those 4 bolts. Then pry those clips from the sides out and then push the air vent to remove it from the frame. You can see those clips from the left side and also two on the right side. Then install the new air vent and put the bolts back. And then put the bolts back using also a T20 Torx. connect the cables to the 20-volt socket. Then install the air vent back on the armrest. And that's it. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.